Hello everyone, comb your hair in the middle section and have a ponytail on it, then split the tail into two parts and have it braided. Then fold the braid into the middle one, making a lump with a rubber band. Then after that, fold the tail and make it go around, forming a loop and a heart in shape, and combine it with the ponytail at the left. Then after that, release the braid from that point and have multiple hair bands and attach the ponytail to the tail at the bottom. Comb your hair and have a thinner braid in the top of it and have a little part of the hair right next to it on the left side and have it scrunched to it, making a loop. Now continue doing it the same for totally 3 times and have another portion of it on the left side braided. Then have a rubber attached to the top part of the loop and decorate with a lovely hair clutter. On the right side, make it as a braid and combine the braid together at the back side with the hair and have it braided together in a thicker manner. Then after that, if you want, you can decorate with your lovely hairpin right in the middle of the braid. Make hair ties in the top section of the hair like this and split the tail into 2 parts and have it braided and fold the tip to the half, making a loop and secure there with little hair bands. Then after the section of the hair at the back, split them into 2 and braid and drop in your favorite hair clutter. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair at the left side and drop the tail into its own loop from bottom to top and make it come down by using a head loop. Then tighten it a little bit and split the tail into 2 and have it braided and have it combined with a rubber band, making a heart in shape, and combine it with the ponytail at the back and decorate with your favorite hair clutter. Comb the middle section of the hair and make a little ponytail and drop the tail into its own loop by having a head loop. Then drop it and make it come down from front to back. Then after that, braid it in a thicker manner and have the braid combined with the back section of the hair and have that one braided as well. Now drop the braid and have it secured with the first rubber band we had on the top. And after that, drop in your favorite hair cluster, decorating it even further. Split a ponytail in the top section into 2 and have it braided, then have 1 braid on each side and combine the first 2 braids and the third and fourth braid together. And in the back section of the hair, split them into 2 and have ponytails onto them and make the braids crisscross each other and attach it to a ponytail. Split your hair into 2 sections. The bottom of it, make a thinner ponytail and have it braided. And top part of it, make a thicker one. Then after that, borrow accessory hair in the middle section and have it braided in a 2 parts manner with strips of hair going in between. Borrow strips of hair from either side, making the ridges visible and also making the ponytail empty as well. Continue doing it until you empty all the hair in the ponytail and also in the middle section. And after that, braid as normal as you would do later on. Then continue braiding and have the braids end secure with the rubber band. Then after that, roll the braid into half and have it into a roll, making as a bun and secure the lovely hairpin on top of it. Split the middle section of the hair and make a ponytail with one part of it, another part of it right behind it, another ponytail, and combine them both and split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided with strips of hair going between borrowed from the back section. Continue doing the braid until you empty all the hair at the back section, and after that combine with the back side and making a ponytail. Make a little ponytail on the top section of the hair and drop it inside its own loop and drop in your favorite hair clutter that has strings and also ribbon that has been made into a bow tie. Then braid your hair along with the ribbon and strings. Or excess the hair from the front section, making the ridges visible, and continue the braiding as normal as you would do and combine the bottom section of the hair and have the accessory ribbons to the top and braid your hair and make the braids crisscross each other and have it secure with little hairpin and make a bow tie out of the accessory ribbon. Comb your lovely hair and have a middle section a ponytail and drop it inside its own loop using a hair loop. Then after that, split the tail into 3 parts and have it braided with strips of hair going in between the braids gap. Continue borrowing the strips of hair from the back section until the ridges are visible and empty the entire hair at the back. And after that, do the braiding as normal as you would do, then secure the end with the rubber band. If you want, you can decorate with your lovely hair cluster in between the braids and drop in your favorite hair cluster on top of the twisted band we created before. Thank you everyone for watching this video.